Welcome back to the Awesome Agents podcast. Maya, screenshots leaked this week that basically show Anthropic building a full app builder right inside Claude.
Yeah, I saw these pop up on X, and this isn't like a rough prototype someone found in a code branch. The UI is polished, it has branding. There's a tagline that says, "Let's ship something great."
Okay, walk me through what the screenshots actually show.
So there's a template gallery with starting points for chatbots, games, photo galleries, landing pages, a live preview pane that renders the app with the chat, a one-click publish button, and then the big one, a built-in infrastructure panel.
Infrastructure?
Database, storage, auth, user management, logs, all native. No need to wire up Supabase or Firebase or anything external. It's a full stack inside the chat window.
That's way beyond artifacts. Like, artifacts was cool for making little interactive demos. This is something else completely.
Right. And if you look at the path, it makes sense. Artifacts launched in mid 2024, then they got API access, then persistent storage, then MCP integration. This is the logical endpoint.
So who should be worried right now? Because I'm thinking of one company in particular.
Lovable, formerly GPT Engineer, they're the biggest name in vibe coding, 400 million in annual recurring revenue, 146 employees, raised 330 million at a 6.6 billion dollar valuation in December 2025.
400 million ARR with 146 people. That's insane revenue per employee.
It really is. And they added their last 100 million in a single month. But here's the thing that should keep them up at night. They depend on Claude as their underlying model.
Wait, Lovable runs on Claude?
Lovable and Bolt.new both rely heavily on Claude. Bolt's founder, Eric Simons, literally said Claude 3.5 Sonnet was the enabling technology that made Bolt possible, period.
So Anthropic is basically building a competitor to its own customers.
And they have a structural advantage no startup can match. Zero model licensing costs, guaranteed first access to new capabilities, integration with every other Claude feature. Lovable pays retail for the same intelligence Anthropic gets at cost.
That's the classic platform play. You let startups prove the market, then you build it in.
Exactly. Apple did it with apps, Google did it with features in Android, Amazon does it with private label products. It's not new, but it's effective.
Did Anthropic say anything about this? Any confirmation?
Complete silence. Sifted reached out for comment and got nothing. No confirmation, no denial.
And for the startups, the silence might be worse than a confirmation. At least with a confirmation, you can plan.
Lovable's head of growth, Elena Verna, basically said she worries more about the big players than about smaller competitors coming from below. That was before these screenshots dropped.
I mean, playing devil's advocate for a second, Anthropic might not ship this. It could be an internal experiment, a hackathon thing.
It could be, but the level of polish says otherwise. You don't build a recipes sidebar with one-click dark mode and security scanning for a hackathon. You don't integrate database and auth as a weekend project.
There was even a mini game in the loading screen, apparently.
Yeah, while your app builds. That's a design touch that signals serious product investment. Someone at Anthropic has been thinking about user experience, not just model capabilities.
So what's your read on this? Does Lovable still have a path forward if this ships?
Specialization is the usual answer. Lovable has built workflows, collaboration features, and community that Anthropic would need time to reproduce. But the core value prop, go from idea to deployed app, that's exactly what these screenshots show Claude doing natively.
And at a lower price point, presumably, since there's no model markup.
Potentially free for pro subscribers, which would be pretty hard to compete with when you're a startup charging separately for the same thing.
Billion-dollar vibe coding startups built on top of someone else's model. It was always a risk. Now there are screenshots.
And this isn't just a Lovable problem. Bolt, V0, Replit, anyone building AI app creation tools on top of frontier models should be watching this closely.
Big story. We'll keep tracking it. That's it for today's episode. Thanks, Maya, and we'll see you all next time on the Awesome Agents podcast.
See you next time.